Unit 3, 3.1 Tartary. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forests tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. If I were Lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me, and in my courtyard bray, and in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. If I were Lord of Tartary, I had wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they had be, and clustered thick as seeds. And ere should wane the morning star, I had done my robe and scimitar, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her rivers silver pale, Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood and dale, her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless seas, her bird delighting citron trees in every purple vale. This poem is written by Walter de la Mare. The poet says that if he was the only ruler of Tartary, that is an imaginary state, he would have a bed of ivory and a throne made of sheets of gold. He would have a court where peacocks would proudly show off. There would be tigers in the forests, and his pools would be full of big fishes, whose fins would move in the sun. He says that if he was the Lord of Tartary, trumpeters would call him for every meal every day and blow their trumpets in his courtyard. In the evening, yellow and red lamps would shine. Sweet and gay music would be played by musical instruments like the harp, the flute, and the mandolin. If he was the Lord of Tartary, he would wear a robe made of white, gold, and green beads grouped closely together like seeds. Before the morning star could disappear, he had wear his robe and carry his sword. His carriage would be drawn by 7 zebras through the dark places in the forests of Tartary. The poet sees himself as the lord of all the fruits of Tartary, of her silver rivers, her hills, woods and valleys. Nature in Tartary is beautiful with shining stars, scented breeze and rippling lakes. There would be citron trees in every purple valley, attracting delighted birds. Exercise. Find the words that mean the following from the first stanza. Gold hammered into a flat, thin shape, beaten gold. Show off proudly, flaunt. Tilt, move at the angle, slant. Across, especially in a slanting direction, athwart. Find names of the exotic musical instruments and animals mentioned in the poem. Exotic musical instruments: trumpet, harp, flute, mandolin. Exotic animals: peacocks, tigers, great fishes, zebras. In the last stanza, there are 3-4 letter words that refer to a beautiful valley. They are glen, dale, vale. Pick out the lines that contain color: yellow as honey, red as wine, white and gold and green they had be, her rivers silver pale, in every purple vale. Sound: trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me, and in my courtyard bray, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. Images from nature: and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forests tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun, and Ire should wane the morning star, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. Sweet and gay music, silver pale rivers, scented breeze, trembling lake, bird delighting citron trees. Grammar. Consonance. Consonance is repetition of one or more consonant sounds, especially at the end of words. Consonance is usually pleasant to the ear. For example, pitter patter, pitter patter.